In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Obsidian Vault. First, locate your current vault name at the bottom left corner of the Obsidian app. This is usually displayed prominently, making it easy to find. When you see your vault name, it is a clear sign that you are in the right place. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for managing your vaults effectively. You want to be certain you are working with the correct vault, especially if you have multiple vaults. Once you've identified your vault name, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click on the vault name you just found. A menu will pop up revealing several options. One of these options is Manage Vaults. Selecting this will allow you to view all of your vaults in one place. This is important because it gives you a broader overview of your vault management. You want to ensure you have access to all your data without any confusion. After you click Manage Vaults, you will be ready to dive deeper into the vault management process. From there, look for the three dots next to the vault you want to manage. These dots symbolize more options, so click on them. This action exposes additional functionalities related to that specific vault. It's a small yet significant step that provides you with a range of management capabilities. This is where you gain control over how you interact with your vault. Once you click the three dots, the next option will be available to you. Now select Reveal Vault in System Explorer from the list that appears. This option is designed to open the exact folder on your hard drive where the vault is stored. This is a pivotal moment because it allows you to access the physical files associated with your vault. By revealing this folder, you can manage and organize your files outside of the Obsidian app itself. This makes it easier to back up your data or make any necessary edits directly within your file system. After selecting this option, your System Explorer will launch, showing you the vault's location. You will see that the folder opens directly in your File Explorer. This gives you a clear view of all the files stored in your vault. You can easily navigate through your notes, images, and other documents from here. This step is reassuring because it confirms that you are indeed where you need to be. You can now manipulate your files as needed, ensuring that your data is organized and accessible. Once you have accessed the folder, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its contents. Look at the various files and folders present. This familiarity can be helpful when you need to find specific notes later on. Understanding your vault structure is crucial for efficient navigation in the future. You may want to take notes or make a backup of important files while you are here. After exploring the folder, remember that you can always return to the Obsidian app. The connection between your app and the file system is seamless. This integration allows you to manage your notes in a way that feels intuitive and effective. With everything organized in one place, you can focus more on your writing and less on searching for files. In summary, following these steps ensures that you can easily find your Obsidian Vault and access its contents directly through your file system. Each action builds on the last, helping you gain control over your data. By understanding how to navigate through your vault effectively, you set yourself up for success in managing your notes and resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Obsidian experience.